Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about this camera ring. Do you need a camera lens protector around it? No, absolutely not. Those cameras are made out of sapphire, so you don't need a camera lens protector. However, if you are someone who cares about his belongings or her belongings and want to protect those camera rings, well, that is possible without even losing the quality of your image. I have a iPhone 12 Pro Max here, and I can tell you for sure that if you have no protection whatsoever around it and you have it in your pocket along with your keys, etc., those rings may get damaged. And therefore, there is a solution. You don't have to put any glass around those cameras. You can just use these. This camera styling lens protector will protect the camera ring and the whole camera area out there without even having something on the lens. And shout out to Punk Miss Hung for giving me this heads up, because I didn't know something like this even existed. So definitely go check out his channel. He creates great videos about how to edit cool stuff. I've watched some of his videos myself, and I can guarantee you that it's top-notch quality. But just let's go ahead and jump right in the subject of this video, which is, does this Rinke, that's the brand of this camera lens protector, will that protect your lenses without even losing the quality of your image? So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So before you even order this camera lens protector, you should make for sure that it's for your iPhone. There are several iPhones. The camera of the iPhone 11 Pro is not the same as the 12 Pro. Obviously, this one is way bigger than this one, as you see. So just select the right iPhone you have and you will get the right size. Send it. Well, we get two wipes before we even attach this camera ring protector to the iPhone. So let's go ahead and try it out. Yeah, you don't have to follow this strict example. You can just pick a wipe, whatever wipe you have around the house, and just clean up your cameras and see if that camera lens protector will stick. So let's get this out of the view and just see if this thing in here will stick to that camera lens protector. Well, obviously you need to remove this. You need to peel this thing out. And what I'm afraid of is that this thing will not get stuck to your camera lenses. Well, as of now, it does a good job. As you see, it's all attached to your camera. And if you have a case around your camera, that's what we will test out as well. So just give me a second to see if it's... Yeah, well, it seems like it's attached to it. Unfortunately, it's not the same color as the actual iPhone. Maybe I didn't pay attention to the color of those of that protector. Maybe you can also order it in gold. But as you see here, and it seems to be right attached. It doesn't come loose. And even if if you want to remove it, obviously, if I use any force on this thing, I can remove it right away. But just look at how slim it is. And it looks like it's well attached to the camera. Let's check out the quality of this camera. And you don't lose any quality whatsoever because there's no glass on your camera lenses. It only protects this area here, which is the area that you don't want to get scratched. And if you have a case, you can just add a case around it, and that way it's all vanished. It looks like, well, obviously we also have cases that comes along with that protector that protects also that area. But if you just want to have that area protected, you can definitely go with this thing. I'll leave a link in the comment section below to direct you to this particular lens protector. I will get a kickback from Amazon, so if you want to support me through that link, it will not cost you anything, but it will give me a little commission. If you don't want to click that link, no hard feelings. You can just go straight ahead to Amazon and buy that camera lens protector. And yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm definitely happy with it. It does protect your camera area. You can also buy a case with a closed camera ring. Those cases exist as well. But if you don't want the case, you just want to protect this area, you can go with this lens protector. I hope I've helped you with your question with this video. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.